Are you holding your brother? You happy? What are you gonna do, your brother?
I'm gonna hold him.
Yeah.
Hold his head.
Is he cute?
He's funny too.
He's funny? What's funny?
Baby.
How does he smell?
Good.
What does he smell like?
He smells like baby.
Okay, watch his finger. Watch it.
Good. What do you want to do with your brother?
Can you put him on the pillow?
He's on the pillow.
Not good.
Not good?
Yes. He's not the right way.
Well, then, so you holding him.
Mommy,
That's.
can you take this off? I'm giving him for a minute.
Okay, hang on. Right.